We're having a wonderful time. I'm having great conversations. Malbek Envision has me feeling like a rock star.
I wanted to come to Envision 2024 first off, to rock my CLM, but I also love intimate gatherings like this where you get to spend time with your colleagues, with folks that have issues that we can really get down to details and discuss.
Definitely, we have to be here. We're very impressed with the team. The people have been extremely welcoming.
I've already made some great connections with some other Malbekians here at the conference, and I look forward to continuing to foster those relationships with them in the future.
What motivated me to attend was just the great content, the key insights that I can learn about the product.
This conference is going to be great for me and other consultants here because now we can advocate Malbek's great features and how that can help other businesses.
This conference is critically important. It's about our customers, right? It's not about us. This is our first in-person, so getting to know people face-to-face is vastly different than dealing with them over the phone or video. Being able to break bread, understand what they really care about, what gets them ticking, and how we can align with those needs as we continue to forge forward in our relationships.
You're really learning from people who are out in the field doing this day to day. I get so inspired.
The keynote address was incredible, was very different than what I've seen in other conferences.
Seeing his passion and his purpose come to life and watching him drum, it was truly life-changing, gave me chills.
Learning a bit more about how everyone is tackling AI, its implementation, and how they use it in day-to-day work.
We really want to make sure that we're leveraging all the capabilities that Malbek has related to AI.
The insights that are provided and the learnings that you take away will last a lifetime.